Welcome student. A series combination of N1 capacitor, each value C1 is charged by a source of potential 4V. Before that we see what is energy stored in a capacitor is equal to half into Q square by C. Or energy we can write energy is equal to half into Q square by C. Then Q is equal to, charge is equal to C into V, or C is equal to Q by V. So this can be written as half into CV whole square by C is equal to half CV square. So this is equal to, we can write half into CV square. Then again, this is equal to half into Q square divided by C. What is C? C is equal to Q divided by V is equal to half into Q into V. So energy can be written as half into Q into V. Now further we can write in place of half CV square, half CV square is equal to half. For parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance is given by half, capacitance is given by epsilon naught area of the plate divided by D. So in place of C we can write epsilon naught A divided by D into V square. What is electric field is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by D square, or this can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 by D into divided by D into 1 by D. This is equal to potential. It means electric is equal to potential into D. Potential into D, we can write potential into D. Therefore, potential, what is electric field? So here we can write is equal to half into epsilon naught into A by D into V. What is V? V is equal to, this is V by D, V divided by D. So electric field is equal to V divided by D. So our V is equal to, what is V? V is equal to E into D. We can write E into D. This we can write. Here V square is equal to V is equal V square, V is equal to E into D. So this is E into D whole square is equal to half into epsilon naught into A divided by D into E square into D square is equal to this, and this get cancelled, half into epsilon naught A E square into AD. So this we can write. So half is equal to half into epsilon naught E square into A into D. So this way also we can express for the potential. Now, a series combination, first of all let us take, this is a series combination of N1 capacitors, of N1 number of capacitors. So each having C1, 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 C1 up to N number of capacitors, and a combination of N1 capacitors. So for series combination, we can say what is C equivalent. C equivalent is equal to, take any one of the capacitor divided by number of capacitors. This is the C equivalent. C equivalent is equal to C1. Parallel capacitors. For parallel capacitor, 1, 2, 3, and we can take, and it is connected to a 4 volt potential. N1 capacitor source of 4 volt potential, and another parallel combination of N2 capacitors. There are N2 capacitor, each having value C2, C2, C2 up to C2. So for parallel capacitor, C equivalent is equal to how many number of capacitor? N2 number of capacitor into any one capacitor. This is the for parallel combination, right? Then this is what is the for N2 capacitor, each will say charged up by a voltage source of V. This parallel is parallel. For parallel, V is the voltage source, and for series this is the 4 volt source. Okay, charged by both combinations have same energy stored in it. Both combination has same energy combination. It means energy stored in series is equal to energy stored in parallel. What is energy stored in series? Energy stored in series is equal to half into C equivalent. This is for series. C equivalent into voltage source. Here is equal to half into, for series, how much is that? Series is C1 by N1 into V is equal to 4 volt whole square. For parallel, for parallel U2 is equal to half, since energy is equal to half into C into V square, half into C equivalent value. C is, there are n number of capacitors in parallel, that is N2 C2. Here we have to remember, for series C equivalent is equal to any one capacitor divided by number of capacitors. For parallel, C parallel is equal to number of capacitors into any one, N2 C2, and voltage is V, because for parallel the potential source is V, and square is equal to half into N2 C2 V square. This is for parallel energy, we can say U2. This we can say U1. Both the energies are same. It means the energy when all the capacity, this combination of capacitor kept in series this much, at least you can say U1 is equal to U2. What is U1? U1 is equal to half into C1 by N1 into 4V whole square is equal to U2 half into N2 C2 into V whole square. So now we can substitute, we can remove this one. Only now left out of the simple calculations. See, now we can cancel, see this one and this one. This V square we can calculate with this one. Then C2, what is C2 is equal to C1 by N1 into 4 square is 16. When this comes this side, divided by N2, or 16 C1 divided by N1 N2 is the value of C2 in terms of C1.